वेलकम टू चार्ट्स ऑफ इंडिया विद मी रणवीर बरार एंड इट इज द फिनाले। फिर दिवाली का टाइम है तो हमने एक काम किया, हमने सोनल को छुट्टी दे दी। भाई काम वाम होते हैं घर पे यार, तो शुरू करें। एक मिनट।
Happy Diwali to the 3 zillion fans of Ranveer Brar and the 30 of y'all who are actually here to learn how to make chart. Since this is the season finale of Charts of India, I could not think of anyone better than the SRK of the food world, Ranveer Brar.
Thank you so much. It's a pleasure being here. और I can't stress enough on how beautiful the show is. The first season, what you did, and this season as well. मुझे लग रहा था कि एक्चुअली ये सबको बुला रही है, मेरे को बुलाएगी कि नहीं, तो मैं मतलब वैसा वाला सीन हो गया था. It's that good, yeah. Fantastic show.
We have been waiting for you to come to our kitchen, chef. These knives, which are brand RB, have been waiting for chef to come since season 1. He asked me to take this plug. I swear, this was not a part of our script. But ठीक है chef, बताइए what are we learning how to cook today?
So I thought festive time, right? In festive time में, at least our festivals are all about celebrating together.
Together,
And
right.
there's one more thing that we do together, which is eat pani puri.
Okay, तो चलो बनाते हैं.
So the trickiest part ना, जहाँ पर मैं पहले फेल होता था, it is the puri, right? And let's solve this problem first. और ये रेसिपी बताए किसकी है? हम जब लखनऊ में थे, so our
Again लखनऊ.
tenants. I grew up in that city.
मैं समझ गई मैं क्या है एजेंडा. हाँ
So-
फिर
So our tenants, you know, amazing. That auntie was an amazing cook, and this is her recipe.
I've seen you're only basically using a lot of rava. So is there another way also to make this same puris?
Minimum, अगर आप रवा की बना रहे हैं, तो you have to use at least 4 times सूजी, 1 time मैदा. You can also do an आटे की पूरी, in which you use 4 times आटा and 1 time रवा.
Those who are good at maths, please do all this math because I will take some time before I get used to this.
And now I'm going to just add a little bit of oil and mix. In this case, if it's 4 cups rava, 1 cup maida, then I'm going to put probably 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil.
Got it.
Just shortening it, no?
Got it, yeah.
And can you do me a favor? Can you
Yeah.
heat some water up? बस. So यहाँ पर ना, a lot of people use papad khar. Papad khar is what leavens it, right?
Okay.
लेकिन if you don't have papad khar at home, you could use baking soda, a little bit. I haven't added much.
Make your well.
Go for it. The well of wealth.
The well of water.
देखो,
Killing your poetry.
people
Killing
are-
your poetry.
people are already saying water is the next gold, right?
Correct.
Whenever I'm shooting, I never remember the name of the show. By the time a show's getting over, I'm sort of getting used to the name.
And then the show is over.
ये सबसे मेहनत वाला काम है. Once this is done ना,
Then you can chill.
then you can chill. So this goes under a wet muslin, or if you have a cling wrap, you can put a cling wrap on top.
What is your whole take on where Indian food is globally, how it is globally represented?
See, I've always felt initially ना, खाने के साथ में ये भी होना चाहिए, ये भी होना चाहिए. When you're young, you want to put 25 things on a plate and make it look all fancy. As you mature, you realize that less is more. That you know, good food will always have less. But that's your personal relationship with food that has evolved.
But do you admit that we have moved from our curry and chicken tikka days?
Totally.
I also think a certain level of responsibility as people who are out there talking about it with such a large audience. You're responsible to not dilute your own food, right? No matter, I mean, it's okay once in a while to do fusion recipes. I know all of us do it.
हम सब इस खाने को अपने तरीके से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं और करना भी चाहिए. There's nothing called going overboard. There's nothing called fusion, inspiration. Everything's all right as long as the chef does it respectfully and evolves his relationship with food.
मैं अपना opinion आपको देती हूँ, लेकिन you tell me what have you put in there?
So I just put coriander and mint. पानी बना लेना. So I'm going to make a simple pan India pani, right?
You're putting tamarind pulp.
Yeah, it's not meetha, it's just pulp.
Okay. So pudina, coriander,
So, coriander, mint,
tamarind pulp, jaggery,
jaggery, kala namak, ginger, green chili. Okay, so while it is pani puri across, Mine is obviously inspired by a fuchka because I am a half bong. I consider myself to be a half bong because I lived in a Bengali neighborhood.
But there's, actually,
Growing up.
I found out that there is a very similar Mexican dish, which is basically this puri. उसके अंदर भी stuffing होता है.
तो दो चीज सीख ली हैं, फरसी एंड
वो दूसरा वर्ड जिसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन के बारे में मैं श्योर नहीं हूँ, तो स्पेलिंग के बारे में श्योर हूँ.
that's spoken like a
pronunciation-
purist, right?
So there's a place for both kinds of people.
Absolutely. Chalo, let's see you blend this thing. There you are. Fantastic.
ठीक है. I'll take that.
मुझे बहुत डर लगता है पता है ब्लेंडर से.
क्यों?
Because all my friends, they have souvenirs in the kitchen with like splashes all over. Somebody has cold coffee. This is what Ranveer did. Somebody has chutney, all sorts of things.
So basically, you don't give autographs. You leave like these kitchen stains.
That's a good way of putting it.
Kitchen stains.
I like how you like use these words to make everything sound just nice.
I try, Ranveer.
That's my autograph.
I try. Are we making pani or are we making gola? कितना ice?
See, obviously, by the time we get to it, वो सब पिघल जाएगा. Also, temperature is very important when you're dealing with green, no? The color stays if you keep it cool.
Right.
Look at this.
It's a street side food. There's this whole idea about eating something cold. क्या है ये?
Salt.
And jeera.
हाँ, भुना जीरा पाउडर. फ्रेशली अगर भूनने को मिल जाए तो nothing like it. And optional है ये चाट मसाला और अमचूर पाउडर, dried mango powder.
Perfect. So this is very interesting that you are putting a tadka in pani. Is this ये आपकी trick है या people put it anyway?
नहीं यार, so बनारस में where chaat originally comes from, no? पानी में हमेशा तड़का लगता है हींग का. In India, there are a lot of these small Indias that live within us.
Within us, yeah. Like I am a Gujarati from Maharashtra. So I like my kothambir vadi as much as I like my handwo.
There you are. Jeera. So cumin and hing.
Perfect.
अगर आप पानी बना रहे हैं, cold and spicy because the numbness of the chili has to balance the numbness of the chill. So palate gets confused and entertained.
Entertained. More entertained than confused.
Yeah, confused in the scientific term, entertained in the artistic term.
Term.
Cool. अब इसके अंदर ये डाल देते हैं,
Bundi.
बूंदी.
तो बन गया पानी.
बन गया पानी. कितनी बातें भी हो गई ना साथ साथ. That's the joy of cooking together, like the
together.
conversations. So we're going to do a basic potato filling, but then I'm going to just take it into different spaces and make it interesting. Little bit of chili powder. Lots of green chili. Lots मतलब श्रद्धा अनुसार मतलब.
काफी ज़्यादा.
नहीं. Coriander. ठीक है. Cumin powder. Toasted cumin powder. A little bit of hing. वो सब कुछ जो पेट के लिए अच्छा है. देखो
और
अभी
वही basically 4-5 मसाले हैं that have basically gone in like everything.
तक. Yeah. And now you just take the whole thing.
While you're mashing this, what is Diwali for you at home like?
So Diwali for us at home has always been my parents trying to make sure I don't
Cook.
burn. क्योंकि earlier it was firecrackers and I used to come back home. यहाँ पे जला वहाँ पे जला. But we cook a lot. There is kheer and pude which is compulsory. Right? So pude is our version of the malpua, which is made with gur on a cast iron pan. Pancakes, एक तो वो इम्पॉर्टेंट है, कंपलसरी हम लोग खाते ही खाते हैं. और अगर गन्ने का रस अच्छा मिलता है और इनफ ठंड है, so then we do something called a raw वाली खीर.
So why have you split this filling into 3?
So one is let it be classic, right? Just let it be a simple aloo की filling. दूसरे वाले में what we'll do is we will add a little bit of the water.
Almost like ragda consistency, but not ragda.
But not ragda.
Nice. हाँ. So
So
he's
ye-
put churran in one,
Yeah.
pani puri ka pani in one, and third one?
Third one, you could leave it like that, or you could put chopped onions. जो प्याज वाली फीलिंग होती है ना,
I think
again.
that's quite Bombay to do it in this way.
और चॉप अनियन वाले में we add a little bit of
Nimbu.
नींबू. अब लग रहा है ना, now they were setting up for something interesting.
Full Rasta style. You've gone and like used your hands, mashed it up, all of that. Ab there'll be flavor, Ranveer. There'll be proper Rasta flavor.
The word rasoi comes from rasvati,
Okay.
and each finger is supposed to be a rasa. सर्जरी तो ग्लव्स पहन के होती
Okay, चलो मान गए, मान गए.
है. See, लखनऊ वालों से जीत नहीं सकते आप.
बोला, बोला.
बातों में नहीं जीत सकते आप.
वो तो है. Cookie cutter. Let's use a cookie cutter. Like, be realistic. ना आपके शो में ऐसे भी तो you're very realistic. You have to do the same thing here.
Like somebody asked me this question, 3 things people don't know about you. I can't make a goal roti to save my life.
Seriously.
I can make a goal pizza,
But
but I can't make a goal roti.
अयो. See that I didn't know about. Genuinely I didn't know about you. ऐसे बात करते लखनवी.
These are called subtle Lucknowi hints. Saying कि gift hamper वगैरह है ना?
दिवाली में दिवाली तो मिलनी चाहिए. काफी सिजल हो रहा है. हॉट इनफ.
Absolutely. वैसे मतलब कितने हम लोग भी we were making fun of people who want to cook everything by themselves. हम क्या कर रहे हैं? हम भी वही कर रहे हैं.
वो आप आए हैं इसकी खुशी में कर रहे हैं.
This is the magic, है ना?
I think you've done more than 100 puris. 50 was over long time ago.
मेरे को मजा आता है यार ये. It's just these
पूरी तलना.
that childlike wonder ना कि इसके अंदर हवा कैसे भरती है वो होता है ना. That's what I enjoy.
अब इसमें सिर्फ पानी भरना है और खाना है.
बस.
Okay? So then that will be a happy Diwali. तब तक नहीं होगी कोई happy Diwali.
Either it is my company or you've just been hiding the
Same.
fact कि तुम्हारी हिंदी इतनी अच्छी है. See, this is a decent puri because दोनों तरफ से फूली है ना. It's not just flat from one side, isn't
Perfect
from
round
another.
puri.
हाँ.
Sure, make your parents also happy. इसमें मम्मी नहीं मारेगी.
इसमें मम्मा नहीं
Perfect.
मारेगी.
मम्मा. अच्छा you say मम्मा.
लखनऊ के होने के बाद आपको स्क्रिप्ट राइटर नहीं चाहिए ना. आपको सिर्फ खड़े होना और बकवास करनी
और
है.
बोलना है. I think this is done. We usually take all our guests to a special chaat bar where all the I mean there are different kinds of things and you snack out of it, but this is totally looking like a chaat bar to me. So I don't think ये फिनाले में कहीं मुझे जाने की ज़रूरत है. We are stuck to this kitchen.
देखो जी ये बरार साहब की चाट बार है. Go for it.
Thank you very much.
This one is the ये जो है आपकी फुचका वाली फीलिंग है. The moist feeling. This is the शादी वाला shot. The cameras are waiting कि कब खाएंगी मैडम और कब हम फोटो खींचेंगे, है ना? This is now Delhi style. नहीं ये बॉम्बे वाली है. Now this is the बनारस वाली चूरन वाली. I'm sure this will be your favorite.
I have some super important questions to ask them. And I
Okay.
promise they are fun.
मतलब the fate of the nation depends on those questions.
On those questions,
Oh,
come.
तेरी. रुको रुको रुको. Cheers.
Fate of the nation and the fact whether you get a hamper or no also depend on those.
चलो
those
चलो ये
things.
बाद में हो जाएगा चलो.
Thank you. So I have a bunch of questions here. They can be as short as long as you like them to be. You cannot skip anything. At least try not to. So I'll go.
Go for it.
Okay. One Diwali mithai you think is overrated and one that you think needs more love.
Kaju Katli is the most overrated mithai ever.
Thanks to all the Gujaratis.
Yeah, I think or Balushai. You know, matlab we don't appreciate Balushai enough. Just the joy that wheat flour, sugar and ghee can give, you know. We don't appreciate it enough.
Okay, good one. Okay, name the following chefs after a Diwali cracker. You need to give these chefs one Diwali cracker, okay? Chef Manish Mehrotra.
Chef Manish Mehrotra is rocket. एकदम rocket जैसे सोचते हो.
Shit, you should have saved this one for the next guy. Saransh Goila.
Saransh, I think he's Mirchi Bum, you know, छोटा पैकेट बड़ा धमाका.
Amninder Sandhu.
Amninder, she's like a sister to me यार मैं क्या बोलूँ उसको. She's like Anar, you know, a nice flower pot. लेकिन लास्ट में बजती है वो, हाँ, द अनार which has like a pataka in the end.
Okay. Last one. Pooja
Amninder, sorry, हाँ.
Pooja Dhingra.
Oh, ऐसा there's that thing ना which goes around, what's it called? चक्री बोलते थे हम लोग.
Chakri.
हाँ, चक्री. She's that, like one woman just running around doing so much.
Okay. Last one. Sanjeev Kapoor.
हाँ, he's like that. वो बड़ा वाला रॉकेट होता है ना, बड़े सारे उस पे वो बना देता है डिजाइन.
What would you call yourself then?
I'm just a full जड़ी.
I thought that was me. Yeah, I was gonna save it for myself. Acha, okay, next one. The weirdest form of Indian street food that you have tried? It could be anything. It could be like a chocolate pani puri that your Saransh Goila made. It could be anything.
Indian street food. अपनी जवानी में तो हमने बहुत कुछ उल्टा सीधा बनाया है, मतलब
अभी भी बनाया होगा. सब बनाते हैं, सबके किचन में कुछ ना कुछ तो मैस होता ही है.
I think chocolate tamarind chutney once.
But then can it be like the Mexican mole? No?
That was the idea, but it came out really bad.
Okay, rate the following Indian restaurants in terms of which you like the best. Mask, Bombay Canteen, Indian Accent and Avartana.
मेरे को हैम्पर नहीं चाहिए, मैं जा रहा हूँ.
Come on, बोल दो. ये क्वेश्चन सबको फंसाने के लिए पूछते हैं.
For me, Indian Accent, Bombay Canteen,
Careful,
Mask and Avartana.
Okay, fair enough. Okay, this you'll enjoy answering. Lucknowi food or Avdi food?
Awadhi food.
How come? There goes your whole food bank.
नहीं, अवध is a bigger region जिसमें लखनऊ भी आता है, लेकिन because you spoke of it and it suddenly reminded me that people think Lucknowi food is Awadhi food. Awadhi food is Lucknowi food plus food from Mahmudabad plus food from Faizabad, and I think Awadhi food needs to be spoken as much as just food from Lucknow.
Fair enough. Okay, favorite kind of South Indian cuisine? Which state?
Kerala. I think it is one of those small states, 4 very clear, distinct cuisines. You know, the Syrian Christian cuisine, the Mapla Muslim cuisine, the Nair cuisine. I think, yeah, Kerala.
Okay. You have to delete all your social media accounts for a day except one. Which one will you save?
No, I'll delete all of them.
No, come on.
I will save Facebook.
Really?
Because the first social media account I ever opened.
Really talking like your generation now, Facebook. बोलेंगे Instagram बोल देते, Snapchat.
इसीलिए मैंने बोला, because वो obvious था.
Okay, चलो. If we gave you $1 million for a food trip, you can use it in any country, where would you go?
Just $1 million spent in one country? Spain.
You've been there already? So you would like to go again?
Yes.
Must be special. Okay, you have to give up one thing for the rest of your life. What will you give up? Gluten, carbs or sugar? Then you'll be one of those irritating people, you know, gluten-free, sugar-free, dairy-free.
जो जाके और सर्वर्स को परेशान करते हैं.
पर एक ही चीज करना है तो क्या करोगे? You have to give up one.
Sugar.
That's the easiest also, I think. You'll be a less pain to people ना.
Exactly. मतलब the servers won't be bothered. I don't want to go to take his order.
बेचारे को
उसका order लेने जा रहा मैं.
बेचारे को diabetes ऐसा छोड़ के they'll forgive you. Okay. Kill, marry, cook with.
हाँ.
Ajay Chopra, Saransh and Amninder. Kill, marry, cook.
Kill Ajay. भाई है मेरा, वो समझ जाएगा. We're born on the same date.
Okay.
Marry. देखो problem हो गई. Amninder's like a dear sister ना, तो
marry as in not really marry.
तो ऐसे थोड़ा ना, not really तो मेरे को भी पता है. So cook with Amninder. I'll marry Saransh.
One Indian chef you want to put your bets on. Now don't say Saransh, please.
No.
This is becoming a
Thomas.
Saransh episode.
Thomas? Any day. I see a lot of my younger self in Thomas, but a lot more focus.
Nice. One Indian chef you have learnt a lot from.
I think Chef Ghulam Rasool.
Okay.
From Taj Lucknow. I learnt a lot from him. In the current generation, Chef Manish Malhotra.
Okay.
You know, amazing guy. Personally and professionally.
Okay, describe the following dishes the way a foreigner would describe. Okay. Dosa.
Crisp lentil pancakes stuffed with curried potatoes and served with a coconut and coconut relish, yeah.
Dal bati.
So clarified butter soaked dough dumplings served with curried
Dough
lentils.
dumpling.
Dough
Everything
dumpling.
becomes curried lentil, curried crepe.
तो अभी तो like a Gora would explain it ना.
है. अच्छा, pani puri.
The bap of spherification.
अच्छा, easy. Okay. Now this is a very important question. So you keep
Important
saying.
like the in देश का मतलब
देश
भविष्य
का
depend
सवाल है.
करता
हाँ. Yeah, this one actually is okay. You keep saying कि फिर मत कहना कि रणवीर ने बताया नहीं. अभी आज एक ऐसी चीज बोलो कि रणवीर ने सच्ची में नहीं बताई है, किसी को नहीं बताई है.
रणवीर ने सच्ची में किसी को ये नहीं बताया है जो आज बताया कि मुझसे गोल रोटी नहीं बेली आती.
Tell me one more.
रणवीर को
Personal life, not chef related.
रणवीर loves cultish South Indian movies that he can't understand.
Nice. Okay, if you weren't a chef, what would you be? An actor, a dancer, a TV host, or a comedian?
A comedian.
I was going to say the same thing. You do have that vibe. One Indian celebrity you would like to cook for and why?
I think A.R. Rahman.
Really?
Yeah.
What would you cook for him?
I just cook something as simple as he is. You know, I'll probably have a 5-minute conversation and come up with that. But it is just amazing how immersed a person can be in his craft that, you know, languages don't matter, boundaries don't matter, nationalities don't matter. When you and your craft become one, that's what I want to be one day.
On that note, thank you Ranveer for having us here and I promise आपको जाते वक्त हैम्पर जरूर मिल जाएगा.
Thank you. मेरे को बोलना चाहिए ना. I introduced the show. So thank you for being on the show, Sonal.
Oh, nice. You have totally taken over this show now. I truly appreciate it. Thank you. So I hope you enjoyed this episode and our season as much as I enjoyed Ranveer's Pani Puri. Happy Diwali to everybody. Stay safe and I will see you soon.